Hello friends, welcome to new session. Today we will be we are going to see how to add the column inside the application. Okay, so in our last session we have created a tax ID field inside the account table, and now we are going to add that particular field inside our application. So let me open the app so that you will understand. I have just opened it in the play mode. So if you see here, I have opened one of the account record, and this is the form view of that record, right? We have already seen in detail how what are the components and of the um, forms, right? So we have different tabs here. Under the tabs we have different sections. Inside this section we have different fields. So and we have multiple forms, but currently we are just going to work with the default form, that is account. And for our example now, what we are going to do is that we're going to add tax ID field here in account information section, right? So what we will do, we just remove this fax field from here, and we will add tax ID field here. Okay, so let's do that. Just go to the uh, tables, inside the account tables, click on the account tables. Here you will see the forms in data experiences. So click on the forms, and you remember here we are working on the account form, right? So just select the account form here in edit mode. Okay, now we have opened the account form inside the editor so that you can edit the this particular form. Okay, so if you see here, this form, right, we have three tabs as per our application, right? Summary, details, related, correct. Then we have sections in the summary tab, like account information and all the fields. So it is similar, just we don't have any data there because we have opened that particular form in the editor mode, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to remove this fax field. Just click on the fax field. On the right hand side you will get the options, different options, right? And we can just directly click on the delete. Okay, it's gone. Okay, so it is this much simple, guys, to remove the field. And to add the field, just go to the left hand side here, and you can search for the tax ID. You can directly search like this. There is a tax ID, or you can search from here. You can write down tax ID, or there is another way, you can filter the custom fields. Okay, so that you will get the tax ID. So there are many ways. You can select any of the way which is convenient. And here all the editing is done by drag and dropping, right? So this is this much simple. Then you can just select the field where you want to add the tax ID and click on the tax ID, and boom, it got added here, right? So why plus symbol is there? Because while creating this field we have selected this field as a business recommended. Okay, so let me show you that. Just go, I need to go to the solution, view management application, and the account table, columns, the tax ID. Okay, just go to edit. Okay, here you see we have selected required as business recommended. That's why the plus symbol is there. I will show you why how it works. Okay, hope you got it. Okay, so we have added the tax ID field on the form. Just click on the save and publish. So what save will do is just save your customization, and publish will publish all the customizations to all the users, right? So any user who is using your application will get the customizations. Okay, save and publish. It will take some time, guys. Okay, save and published is completed. I have refreshed the application, and now you can see here the facts field is gone and we have the tax ID, right? So if I click on the save, so it will just show us this symbol because it is business recommended, but you can either way you can save the record without having that data. Okay, but account name is business. No, sorry, just fumbled. Okay, so account name is business required. Okay, so if we don't have this data, it will not allow you to save. Okay, so it has to be there. Okay, and you can save this with the account name. Okay, so this is business required, when there will be the red star, and business recommended is just like we can have this data or we cannot have this data, so both are okay. So without having this data we can save this particular record, we can enter the data and save, but it shows your plus symbol, so you can have the attention like this is business recommended. Okay, so hope business recommended and business required both things are clear. Okay, so let me just make tax ID as business required. Okay, so just go to the edit here and just make it business required and save. Just let's see after saving this if it reflects here, otherwise I need to publish all the changes uh, at the solution level. So it is not at uh, okay, it is not yet reflected, so just I need to go to the solution and I need to publish. Okay, publish table will do. Okay, just go to the solution level, back to the solution, just open it. Okay, publish all customizations, right? So just see whether it will reflect all the customizations. Let it complete, guys. It will take some time. So publish all customizations will take time because it try to see all the overall the solution to see if there are any customization inside the solution, and it will publish. So currently all the customizations are published. Let's try to refresh it. So try to hard refresh by pressing Ctrl and F5. Yeah, now you can see here the red star symbol. So now it is business required. Okay, so without this data you will not be able to save this particular record, so you need to provide this data each and every time. Okay, save. So now the data got saved. Okay, hope you understood how to add the new field inside the form. So field is referred as attribute, it is referred as column. So just don't get confused. I may use sometime as a column, I may refer it as a attribute, I may refer it as a um, field. Okay, so hope you understood guys, and let's see you in the next lecture. So for now, just if you have any questions, just comment down below, and yeah, like, subscribe to my video. Thank you. Bye.